Hello, Blazer family. Mr. Dillard here, your new principal for the upcoming school year at Greer Middle College. And just wanted to quickly introduce, this is not a news flash or new faces, but there are a couple of new items. And hopefully this coming school year, nobody's worried about things being all that new or different because, like I say, the three of us have been here before. But once again, James Dillard, and a pleasure to introduce Ms. McCraw as our Director of Student Services and also Assistant Principal, and Mr. Joel Frans, once again, a very familiar face, but as an Assistant Principal this year at GMC. Ms. McCraw?
Yes, well, hello and welcome, GMC families. Like Mr. Dillard said, my name is Jessica McCraw, and I'm one of the assistant principals here at GMC. I support our 10th and 12th graders. I'm also the Director of Student Supports here at GMC, which covers many areas, such as students with 504 accommodations and students with IEPs, and our MTSS, which is our multi-tiered support program here at GMC, just to name a few things that we do to support our students. This will be my 8th year here at GMC. I've had two daughters, or still have one here, but I've had one graduate in 2023, and I have a senior here this year. So yeah, just excited to be here again and have another year at GMC with wonderful families, students, faculty, and staff.
Yeah, hey GMC family, I'm Joel Frans, and I'm excited to be transitioning into an assistant principal role this year. This will be my 10th year here at GMC, and I have grown to love this place, and I think it is the best high school in South Carolina, if not the country. As Ms. McCraw and Mr. Dillard also have had their own children come through here. My son just graduated from here last year, and the experience of having him come through here was so valuable for him to see the growth of the past 4 years in his life, and now him moving on to college. I know he's well prepared to go to college and to meet the new challenges that lie before him. So we're here to support you guys. I will be mainly involved with 9th and 11th graders, but we want to make sure that all the students here are successful and that come to love this place as much as we do.
Very good. Yes, we're very excited, and not getting into a ton of detail today on this announcement, but maybe address a couple of the burning questions that some parents do have as the school year does approach. We still have some summer left. But number one, Blazer News is your friend. If you're already signed up for Blazer News, you should be good. The first issue will be coming out on July 31st. But if you're not signed up, if you're new to GMC family, go to our homepage, scroll towards the bottom. You'll see a heading kind of in the middle, says newsletter sign up. And you can click on that and sign up for Blazer News to make sure you are very much informed here at Greer Middle College. There is a supply list coming out. It will be in that first issue of Blazer News, and it's categorized by teacher as well as by course. So even if you don't know your schedule, you should get a very, very good idea of what's needed for your classes. And the other question that a lot of times comes up in the summer is our dress code. And guys, we didn't change anything about the dress code, right?
That's right.
We made no changes to the dress code, so it should be nothing new, no gray. The no gray thing's years old at this point. But shirt tails tucked in, and we're definitely really good about enforcing our dress code. Probably better at the beginning of the year than the end. So guys that were here, don't think about what it was at the end. Spring is spring. It's the way it is. But come this year, we're back to our normal dress code, so you should be able to find that. If you go to my website, so if you find me on our website and go to my website, and up at the top right-hand corner, there's a tab that says newsletter, and some of the stuff's from last year, but it's relative, but I'm adding stuff as we go through this month. But the updated student handbook is already there, kind of towards the bottom. But even if you find last year's handbook, the dress code is the same, so it doesn't matter. So those are kind of the burning questions this time of year for a lot of the parents. And
can I interject for 1 second, just on the dress code? The biggest thing is, I know it's hot, and I know that everybody wants to wear shorts and the ladies want to wear skirts. Please just be mindful of the length. We do have stairs, And when you're walking upstairs, ladies, it's it's not okay for your skirt to be so short that you can just see right up the skirts. So I need you to really be mindful of the rule on the length of the skirts. If it is, you can use a note card if you're not sure, but the skirts were really, really short towards the end of the year last year. So I'm just going to let everyone know that that's going to be definitely monitored heavily this year.
Definitely. And just to go ahead and let parents know, we
Yeah.
do give a whole week's worth of warnings, and
Yeah.
with our handbook, and we meet with each class individually. We discuss this with the students, and that's what we consider their warnings. If your student ends up with a detention for dress code, you'll get an email and they'll get a detention, and that'll be the end of it. The expectation is that within the first day or two, or at least the second week of school, they're following our dress code for sure. So but yes, thank you, Mr. Paul, for adding that, because we definitely have steps here at GMC for
Yeah.
sure. But last thing I had is that the students will receive their schedules in their blazer blocks. And you say, well, how do they get to their blazer block? When you guys come to school on that first day, whether it's freshmen on that Monday, the 10th, or everybody on Tuesday, the 11th, everybody goes to the gym the first day, and we dismiss to blazer block from the gym. And the freshmen on that first day will be assisted by some of our older students and literally taken to their blazer block. And the second day, if you're new to GMC, we'll do the same thing for folks new to GMC, 10th through 12th grade on that Tuesday. So don't fret. You'll get your schedule in your blazer block, and we will get you to your blazer block. Just be excited and be ready to learn when we kick off the school year. One last thing, being a high school, we do not have Meet the Teacher. That question came up on social media. However, we do have open house Monday, August 17th. More information will come. This is really just to say hello. We've rolled over into a new year now here in July. We just wanted to say hello, but please enjoy the rest of your summer and don't even worry about this stuff for another 2 or 3 weeks or so. Right, Mr. Frans?
Yeah, that's right. A lot of good information here. Most importantly, just to reemphasize what Mr. Doe said, make sure you sign for Blazer News. Anytime you're looking for something, you can always get the answers that you need, hopefully, in Blazer News. That comes out every Friday morning. So if you haven't signed up for that, make sure you go to our website and get signed up for that. But we're excited about the upcoming school year, and we can't wait to see you guys.
Yes. Enjoy the rest of your summer. You have one more month, so make the best of it. Spend time with your family. If you like hot weather like me, you've got plenty of it coming. So enjoy it, and we'll see you soon.
Yep. See you guys soon.
All right, bye.